So OnePlus recently confirmed the launch date of the OnePlus 10 Pro. It is coming on 11th of this month at 2 p.m. Chinese time. And shortly after that, OnePlus revealed the design, literally reconfirmed the design. And now they have revealed the specs as well. Some major specs. Even though they haven't really revealed things like the storage or RAM, but they have confirmed most of the other things. Like the camera setup of the OnePlus 10 Pro, which will feature a second generation Hasselblad camera system. The Hasselblad is more or less, to me, is hype, nothing more. There would be a 48 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle unit, and an 8 megapixel teleporter camera with 3.3x optical zoom. Even though they haven't talked about the optical zoom, but we know that. Now they also have revealed the camera setup will feature dual OIS, dual optical image stabilization, and 32 megapixel selfie camera at the front inside the punch hole. Now, they've also revealed the phone will be powered by Qualcomm's recently announced mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is an insanely powerful chipset. Now, according to them, the OnePlus 10 Pro will feature LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage options, but they haven't really confirmed the storage options properly. So according to earlier leaks, the OnePlus 10 Pro will pack LPDDR5 8GB and 12GB of RAM options, as well as 128GB and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage options. So yeah. Now OnePlus has again confirmed that the OnePlus 10 Pro will feature 120Hz Fluid AMOLED display LTPO 2.0 made by Samsung. First time Pitlao has confirmed, then now OnePlus. We don't know about the LTPO 2.0 display technology, how it's different from the LTPO, but it's going to be a slightly improved one. Now we can also see the phone will definitely going to feature a beefy 5000 mAh battery, which will also support 80 watt up to fast charging and 50 watt up to fast wireless charging. Now as for another big thing, which some of you will like or some of you won't, they have confirmed that the phone will come with OxygenOS 12 based on Android 12 out of the box. Yep, hopefully it won't be buggy at all. Anyway, you can see the dimensions: 163mm tall, 73.9mm wide and 8.5mm thick. It will also feature Bluetooth 5.2, NFC support, 5G support, VoLG support would be there, and VoWiFi support would be there as well. The OnePlus 10 series is slated for release very soon in China, but we don't know when it's coming to other regions. But yeah, as for the price, well, you can expect the price of the OnePlus 10 Pro to be around $1,000. But I can't really confirm you that at this moment. We have to wait. I will keep an eye on that. So subscribe this channel for that. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone. joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video. I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.